In this video, let me show you how to create a see-through text effect using CSS Mix Blend Mode property. So at the end, we will see something like this. This is like a see-through text. We are seeing the text beautiful with the background colors of this image. So we are going to see how to create this effect using basic CSS property. So to illustrate this, I have already saved a web page. This is a basic HTML page. And now let's add the required elements. So first we need to have a div element to have the image and also another div element to have the text. So I'm adding two div elements. One is with ID container, and within this we need to have the text also. So I'm adding another div element for that, div ID with see-through. That is the ID I'm specifying here. So we have the required elements now. Next we need to style these elements, right? So within the head, first let me specify a title, see-through text, and after this let me add the style tag. So style, we just have two elements. We have to style these two elements. So for the parent, I am going to specify the position to be relative, that is for container, the position to be relative, and for the child element, the position to be absolute. So first let me access the container element, hash container, and within this, let me first set the position to be relative, and let me set the background to be as the required image. So background image, I can set it as URL. So I have already saved a few images in the same folder, that is in the see-through text, that is see-through text.html is this web page. So here I have saved flowers.jpg, scenery.jpg and seasons.png. So let me first use scenery.jpg. So within double quotes I can specify scenery.jpg. Okay, then let me set width and height for this image. So let the width be say 1000 px and let the height be say 600 px. Now we are ready with the image. Let me save this and show you. See, this is the web page. We have added the image. I have just named it as scenery, though it is not a scenery. Okay. Next we need to have the text. So we have already added the div element to display the text. So again, let me access the see-through element, hash see-through, and let me set the position to be absolute. So position absolute, and let me specify the background color for this text element. Actually we are displaying it within a div element. So I'm specifying the background color to be say black and the text color to be white. Let me specify font weight to be bold and font size to be say 120 px to see it as bigger. Okay. Then let me specify text align to be center so that it will be centered. And now we are going to use the property which will help us to see the text as a see-through text. So this mix blend mode property is used to specify how the element's content should be blended with its background. So there are a number of values for the mix blend mode property. You can have it like darken, lighten, multiply. There are different options. You can try these different options if you want. Here we are going to use, let me specify mix blend mode. As you could see here, there are different options, darken, difference, exclusion, etc. Here we are going to use multiply as the value to get the text as a see-through text. Okay. Then let me specify the top and left values to position this div element. Let me just specify for the time being 40% as the top and left as say 40% itself. We can make changes if required. So for setting this top and left values, we have specified the child element's position to be absolute and the parent's position to be relative. Now let me save this and check the output. Let me refresh. Okay, we are not seeing anything. Let me check the code. Okay, though we have added the div element, we haven't added any text. That is why we are not able to see anything. So let me just specify the text as beautiful. Okay, now let me refresh this. See, you are seeing beautiful like this. So we need to position this a bit towards the left hand side, right? So what we can do for that, we can adjust the left value. So here we have specified left to be 40%. Let me make it as say 25%, and let me save this. Let me refresh. See, now we are seeing this as a see-through text. So here the background color is blended with the text color. That is why we are seeing it as a see-through text. We can actually change the color of this background to see different effects if you want. Let me change the background color. Instead of black, suppose I make it as purple. We can try different colors and save this and refresh. See, now it is giving a different shade here. As the text color is white, we are able to see through that, but as the background is set to be purple, here the sun's color is displayed in slight purple color. So this is how we can create a see-through text effect using Symbol CSS property, which is Mix Blend mode. You can try different options with Mix Blend mode. Here we have set the value to be multiply.